Okay.
So today's challenge is the 2-2-4 challenge. So what we've got here is we've got two words that add together to make another word, and we've got to find the numerical value of each letter. So we've got to put a number to each letter. So for example, O plus O is going to equal R. Now the way that's best to approach this to begin with is to work systematically. So let's imagine that we want our letter O to be the number 1. So I'll put a number 1 there and a number 1 there. Now 1 plus 1 equals 2. So we're saying that R equals 2. Now because I've also got the letter O there, that means this number here in my hundreds column has also got to be a 1. So I'm just going to put that in there to remind myself for the time being. Now W and W can be any number we want, but they have to be the same number. So if we're working systematically, I'm going to try 2 and 2. So W is 2, W is 2, 2 plus 2 equals
1.
However, because we've got our R is a 2, that means W cannot be a 2. So we move to the next number up. So we get rid of our 2's and let's try 3's instead. So W is 3, W is 3, 3 plus 3 equals 6. Now I've got T plus T has got to equal 1. So again, I could try using my numbers and thinking about the next one up. So I could do 4. So if I do 4 plus 4, I know that 4 plus 4 equals 8. So it doesn't equal 1, which means that wouldn't work. So what we've got to think about here is if we want this number to be a number 1, that means some exchanging has got to have happened in this column. So your 1 is going to come over from the tens into the hundreds. Because if I add any two even numbers together, or any two numbers together, I'm always going to end up with an even number there. So it's impossible for me to get 1. So you need to think about which two numbers can come from this tens column to make that 1 exchanged over into the hundreds column. We'll leave you with that.